symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. A transpose is equal to A, and a matrix, next, skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. A matrix A is said to be skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A. Next, third one, idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. A matrix A is said to be idempotent matrix if A square is equal to A. The fourth one, involuntary matrix. A matrix A is said to be involuntary matrix if A square is equal to I. Next, fifth one, nilpotent matrix. A matrix is said to be A is said to be nilpotent matrix if A to the power of n equal to 0 for some positive integer n. Positive integer n. Next, first problem. The first problem, a square matrix Aij in which Aij equal to 0, I not equal to j, and Aij equal to k, a constant for I equal to j, is called a, first one, unit matrix, second one, scalar matrix, third one, null matrix, fourth one, diagonal matrix. So unit matrix, null matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix. Null matrix means all are empty. Unit matrix means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Scalar means, so Aij equal to 0, I is not equal to j. Diagonal matrix. If the scalar matrix diagonal principal diagonal elements are equal, then we say that that is a scalar. So now we have to take the A is equal to, what is that, Aij. It is order is also not given, so I am taking for example 3 by 3 matrix. So that is nothing but A 3 by 3 means A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So here if Aij equal to 0, if I is not equal to j, and Aij is equal to k for I equal to j. So here A11, these two are equal, so we can put k. A12, 12 means they are not equal, ij are not equal, so we can keep 0, here 0, here 0, here k, 0, 0, 0, k. So it is not a null matrix, it is a diagonal matrix, and also it is a diagonal matrix, and also it is a k, k, k. So it is a all are equal, so it is a scalar matrix, but k equal to not given 1. So if it is k equal to 1, it is a unit matrix, so it is a scalar matrix. Now what about second one? Next to fourth one, m into minus 3m 3 4 plus n into 4 minus 3 is equal to 10 minus 11. Find 3m plus 7n equal to. The options are, the first one is 3, second one is 5, third one is 10, fourth one is 1. So now m into minus 3 comma 4, that means the scalar multiplication of m, that is 3 into m into minus 3 minus 3m, m into 4 means 4m. Scalar multiplication means we have to multiply each element, so that is m into minus 3 minus 3m, m into 4 4m, plus n into 4 4n, this is minus 3n. So that is equal to 10 comma minus 11. So if we add the two matrices, we have to add the corresponding elements. So that is minus 3n plus 4n, and 4m minus 3n is equal to 10 minus 11. So here the two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are equal. So minus 3m plus 4n equal to 10, and 4m minus 3n equal to minus 11. So from this we can say that here it is a minus 3m, it is a 4m. So multiply with the 4, minus 12m plus 16n is equal to 40. So here multiply with the 3, so 12m minus 9n is equal to 3 minus 33. So if we add these two, will be get cancelled, and 16n minus 9n means we will get 7n is equal to 7. So from this n equal to 1. So put the n value here. So 4m minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 11. So 4m minus 3 is equal to minus 11. 4m is equal to minus 11 plus 3. So 4m is equal to minus 11 plus 3 means minus 8. So m equal to minus 2. So m value is minus 2 and n value is 1. Put the values here. 3 into m. m means minus 2 plus 7 into 1. So that is 6 plus 7. Minus 6 plus 7. That is equal to 1. So the fourth one is correct. Next. Next problem, the fifth problem. If a to the power of 20 is equal to a, b, c, d, where a is equal to 1102, then a plus b plus c plus d is equal to the first one is 2 to the power of 21, second one 2 to the power of 22, third one 2 to the power of 19, the fourth one 2 to the power of 20. So how to solve this? Here a to the power of 20 is given a, b, c, d, and a is given 1, 1, 0, 2. So here we have to find a to the power of 20. So we have to find a to the power of 20. A square means a into a. So that is 1, 1, 0, 2 into 1, 1, 0, 2. So multiply. So row into column. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 2, 2. Next is 0. Row into column. 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0 plus 2 into 2. We will get 4. That is nothing but 1, 3, 0, 4. That is, we may write that we have to convert it into 2 power 2. So a square. So here it is, we can write it as 1. This is a 2 square minus 1. 0. This we can write it as 2 square. 4 can be written as a 2 square. 3 can be written as 2 square minus 1. Let me check for a cube. So a square into a. So what is a square? 1304. Multiply with 1101. So we will get 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 1, 3. 0 into 0, 0 into 1, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 2, it is not 1, it is 2. 4 2 is 8. So here also 1 into 1, 3 2 is 6. So here we will get 1708. So it is 1, 0. Here we can write it as 2 cube. This is, we can write it as 2 cube minus 1. So from this we can write it as a power 20. A power 20 we can write it as 1 2 power 20 minus 1 and 0 2 power 20. So from this a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 power 20 minus 1, c is equal to 0, d is equal to 2 power 20. So from this a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 1 plus 2 power 20 minus 1 plus 0 plus 2 power 20. So 1 1 get cancelled out. 2 power 20, 2 power 20. 2 times of 2 power 20. The bases are equal, power should be added. So 2 power 1 plus 20, that is 2 power 21.